Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Mira Antibukad, 28 years old. My, my marital status is single. My highest educational is college graduate and my course is criminology. I work as a household helper in the Philippines for 2 years and 5 months. I serve one couple and one child is 2 years old. My duties are cleaning, cooking, doing laundry, and taking care of the baby. The most important thing in taking care of the baby are feed the baby, check the diaper if it's wet, and giving love and care. The most important thing to taking care of the child, feed the child when monitor the child when playing, and giving love and security. I can sing a nursery rhyme like Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. My special skills are cooking, dancing, good communication, good leadership, and willing to learn. The advantage of my future employer, if they will hire me, I am trustworthy, easy learned, hardworking, and honest. I will respect to obey you as my employer, Sir, Ma'am. Thank you.